What's up, guys? I hope you're well. Today we are at Beaver Brook Trailhead. I'll see you on the trail. This is an easy trail. Famous last words. Ooh, I can't wait to see Brooks Beaver. We're doing it now. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. See the divide way out there. Really pretty. Into the woods, the grandmother's house we go. Into the ground. Just kidding. Good hike, good hike. Hey, I'm not out of breath yet. But yeah. Cool hill here. Up is that way. Oh, we got some ups ahead of us. Ooh, it's gonna be fun. Oh yeah, nice steep downhill here. So far so good. So far it's been a lovely little trail. Okay, I gotta get off the camera so I focus, don't fall down. Whew, all right, a little bit of an opening. Very nice. Beautiful blue skies. Gotta love the Colorado blue. Crossing. Yeah. Let's do it again. Houston, we may have a problem. Whoa. Losing my balance. Okay, we got this. We did it barely. Oh, shite.
Bang that balance here, bitch.
Yeah, God. Sketchy. This is exactly what the hike is all about. Not too high, but it's running quick. Still wouldn't want to fall into that. All right, perfect spot for a trail beer. Today is Shiner Block. tasty, refreshing, just like this. Well, we only have one choice to get across. Do it. He did it! Now that I've regained consciousness, we both survived the leap of faith. The trail was out. The only way to get to the other side was to jump, but worth it. Franco up there. Go. Very, very cool trail. I like it a lot. It's the bridge to Terabithia. Easy does it. Easy does it. Witty. And just like that, back in the woods. Wonderful to see the goddamn same scratch. Whew. Excuse me. So far, you can hear the river way down there. We climbed that high. We still need to go up to about that height. Ooh, buddy. Finally, it's getting leveled out a little bit. I think we're starting to get close to the end. Thank goodness. I'm exhausted. Whew. Going down wasn't too bad, but this coming up, oh my Atlanta. Whew. That'll do it from Beaver Brook Trail. Ooh, it kicked my ass. It was a lot of fun. I'll see you guys at the brewery. Cheers. Post-hike beer. Austrian Amber Lager. 5.2%. Ooh, that's tasty. Get it, Breckenridge, get it. All right, just finished up at Breckenridge. My legs are tired and I am exhausted. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'm going to go home and take a shower. Bye.